Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now, in your country, these boys are trying to preach this Krishna consciousness movement. So my humble request to you all is to try to understand this sublime benediction of life simply by chanting Hare Krishna. You will gradually develop a transcendental loving attitude for Krishna, and as soon as you begin to love Krishna, your all troubles, that means you will feel complete satisfaction. Trouble or distress is of the mind. One man is getting $6,000 a month. One man is getting $200 a month. But that I have seen one gentleman in Calcutta. He was drawing 6,000. He committed suicide. Why? That money could not give him satisfaction. He was trying to have something else. So, this material atmosphere, by earning great amount of money, will never give you satisfaction, because every one of us is the servant of the senses. These platform of service of the senses should be transferred to the platform of service to Krishna, and then you will find all problems solved. Thank you. Any question?
Picture of Krishna is absolute, right? That is, is the picture of a pure devotee absolute in the same way?
Picture of devotee?
A pure devotee.
Yeah.
It's absolute in the same way that.
Yes.
Let's say a picture of Prahalad Maharaj and Lord Nrsimhadev.
Yes.
Is also Prahalad is there as much as Lord Nrsimhadev.
Yes. The Lord and the devotee, they are on the same status. Every one of them. Lord, His name, His form, His quality, His associates, His paraphernalia. Everything, they are absolute. Naam, Gun, Roop, Leela, Purit, and pastimes. Just like we are hearing about Krishna. So this is not different from Krishna. When there is chanting Hare Krishna, this Hare Krishna, this vibration is not different from Krishna. Everything is absolute. Therefore, pure devotee of Krishna is not different from Krishna. This is simultaneously one and different. Achinta Vedave Tattva. This philosophy has to be understood. That Krishna is the supreme person, energetic. And everything what we see, what we experience, they are all different energies of Krishna. And the energy and the energetic cannot be separated. Therefore, they are all on the absolute platform. Simply, when it is covered by Maya or ignorance, it is different. That's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,